Hello everybody, this is Daryl at hudsonscustommachining.com, and we're done with the GE Pancake rotor. If you saw part one of this video, you saw what the shaft looked like when the rotor came in. Here's the old shaft here. You can see all of the wear that was in the shaft and how badly the end of it looks out here, and all of that wear right there. So we got rid of that and machined a new. And here's the old bearing that was in there. This old bearing's in kind of bad shape too. So we're going to send out a new bearing to the customer with this new shaft that we just machined. And everything turned out real nice. We indicated it in so it runs all nice and true. And we've got a new bearing here. Machined a new pancake bearing to go on here, and that feels real nice and smooth. There's no snags in there. That turns real nice on there. So everything's ready to go back to the customer, and we're going to get this boxed up and back out. So we appreciate y'all tuning in, and if you like my videos, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Y'all take care.